Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi Q4 Sport e-tron finished in the modern Geyser Blue paintwork. This powerful brand new model is a 45 e-tron with an 82kW battery that produces 285 horsepower. The top features include the striking LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including Q4 and 45 e-tron badging, in addition to stylish e-tron badging at the front and rear, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 520 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find both AC and DC charging ports on the driver's side of the car, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This Q4 e-tron can charge up to 80% in just 28 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7.2kW fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 13 hours, providing a range of up to an impressive 337 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control with two USB-C charging ports. The front houses a multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior and exterior lighting, in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns, in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment, and an open storage compartment with a wireless charging pad and 2 additional USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.